kami oh. So yun po, nandito na po tayo ngayon sa MCM. Sama natin si Bose, tsaka si J.
Shoutout ko pa.
Jello Pogi.
Shoutout namin yung idol namin. Si Kong.
Power! Prince Atis. Musta ka, Prince?
I'm fine.
Takin-takin no.
Kapoy trabaho sa bangko.
Oh, wow. Grabe, murag sikyo, bay.
Kahawa.
Young, dumb, broke high school kid.
Ginagawa niyo.
Neon vlog.
Oh, you wanna see that, my Ellie? Because you held the wrong foot. What's that?
Vlog.
Oh.
Bro, yung Filipino.
I just use Windows Movie Maker, huh? It's not like your edits. I just use Movie Maker.
Have you ever seen something or someone so beautiful? Oh, sneak peek lang! Are you gonna post it?
After we present it to class.
Okay.
It will be up on Francis Briola's channel.
Sure ka dyan?
I don't know.
Okay lang.
Okay, sige.
Yeah. The wrong foot. Ginagawa nyo.
Ginagawa nyo.
Ginagawa nyo. Say hi to the f***ing vlogmans.
Oh, hi, Betin! Hi, Betin!
Ano yun? Say hi to the vlogman. Si Jack, si Amber.
Thanks, Pogi.
Wala akong magawa. So I'm doing this.
Gawin na natin yung juice ko. Are we gonna... Meron akong cups. I brought the cups. And Yakult.
Yakult. You know,
What are you
after
gonna buy?
hearing you talk about Coke and Yakult, Vera and I searched it. Literally, the first thing it says, do not try at home.
Oh my God, why? Dude. Akala
Kasi
ko
hindi
ba
mo kasi
talaga?
dapat yung Coke. It's supposed to be iced tea.
Oh, iced tea and Yakult. You said Coke and Yakult.
He did
No.
say Coke and
Yes, you
Yakult.
did say Coke and Yakult.
No.
Are you telling me it explodes?
No, it's
No.
like,
What the frick?
just tastes gross, like gross.
No.
I thought it would take.
Table.
So right now, we're on the way to the auditorium for the mass. Mom Thea,
Where's your number nila? Vaccine!
say hi.
Ako.
Say hi. Say hi. Idol ko nga pala si Raiko.
Blessing namin ngayon.
Blessing namin ngayon. Shout out kay Father Zenon for blessing our day. Hi Sir Dardar.
Tagal-tagal to.
Hi Darwin. Say hi to the vlog, Darwin.
Traffic kasi dun, so sabi ko, emergency exit.
Ginagawa mo, Chow?
Sup, yo! To do it, yo!
Wala kang magawa. Boss!
Gago!
So right now, we are on the way to the CR. Kasi wala kaming trip. Mag-CR si George. Hi, George. May gusto ka ba i-shout out, George?
Ayan, so yung cost, yung ginasusan. So yung ginasusan namin, yung ingredients. So yung ranges from 140 to 250 per batch depending on the kind of cookie. So, iba-iba siyang cookie. So, iba-iba rin yung part.
So, wala kaming magawa. Yun. Oh, what's up sa inyo?
Oy, bumili ka ng camera, boy.
Wala akong camera, boy.
Ano daw? What?
Baka may gusto ka i-shoutout, man.
Dili, shoutout sa mga mabubuti dyan.
Dito tayo para hindi against. Yon!
Donate kayo sa friend ko dito. Wala siyang camera. Ako
Wala
rin.
akong camera, man. Yeah. Dito tayo kay my friend George. Hi, George.
What is up? Say hi to the vlog. Hi vlog.
Kakadapos na namin kumain dito sa may Jollibee. Sama ko si James.
Yes,
Sama ko si Dean. Chow. Si Mel. Si B. Si Mac. Pati George. Baka may gusto kayo shoutout, George.
Shoutout kay ano?
Up. Guitarer. Magbalik ka. Wala akong content.
Hindi ikaw yung tipong wala ka sa kumambola. Hindi ako sa
Pauwi na po tayo ngayon. Kasi wala pa rin akong maayos na content kung araw. Kaya ewan ko na lang. Bye, Chief. Kung makikita nyo po, nakauwi na po ako. Hey, bye-bye. Nasa muli mga friends.